After the blizzard of snowfall from Thursday afternoon through Sunday afternoon, things have calmed down quite a bit here in West Michigan. What has not changed is the bitterly cold Arctic air, and that is not going to change, and that's why the 13 weather ball is green. No change foreseen there. It's also blinking bright. There's a little bit of light snow down to the south tonight and some lake effect snow at the lake. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a high of 18 today. It made 17 so far, and that has put us 6 days in a row within 3 degrees of our forecast high. We've only had 2 misses here in the past month. Temperatures are going to be dropping down barely into the single numbers. Wind chills will stay in the single numbers, flirting plus or minus about 5 degrees either side of zero, and we'll be back into the upper teens again tomorrow, and the same on Wednesday as the Arctic air just continues its lockdown on West Michigan. A couple of areas of note. There's this one band of lake effect snow that has migrated onshore. It's been snowing quite heavily here in western Ottawa County on up to just south of Muskegon over the past few hours. Down to the south, we're looking at a system snow that's moving through, heaviest in Berrien and southern Van Buren counties south of Kalamazoo. This is where you might see the accumulations here overnight tonight. Meanwhile, back to the west, it's fairly quiet as high pressure has taken over. This is the center of the cold air, and that's not going to budge for the next several days. Where the heaviest snow is going to fall is from southern Illinois and Indiana and Ohio tonight on through central Pennsylvania. We're on the northern edge of that with a little bit of light snow. By 7 o'clock, that band of snow near Kalamazoo already heading to the east. You can see as the winds turn a little bit more to the north and east as that system moves on out, we'll push the lake effect offshore for at least a little while. We'll stay mostly cloudy here in the greater Grand Rapids area, but we're going to get some breaks in the clouds tomorrow afternoon, so you might have to trade in your snow brush for your sunglasses. Now, there'll be a lot of lake effect clouds, but not a lot of lake effect snow inland here during the next several days, as winds will be turning more around to the northeast, especially late in the day on Wednesday into early Thursday. Thursday night is when our next weather system may come through. Again, these will all be very light systems, not like what we have seen in the last probably 72 hours. Here's the snow overnight. You can see barely an inch down toward the Kalamazoo area. There'll be more along the lakeshore, of course, with that heavy band of snow, but all the way around, it's a fairly quiet weather pattern shaping up, at least until next Thursday night, and over the weekend we'll see a little bit of light snow as well. But again, this is just enough to blow off the deck, nothing really heavy to shovel. So tomorrow we're looking at a few morning lake effect snow showers as winds turn around more to the north here. Mid and upper teens, may even break 20 in Holland and South Haven. Up north, you can expect some morning clouds and afternoon sunshine. Winds will turn back around to the west. Highs around 16 to 17, and similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. You may see a little bit of morning light snow flurries and then some afternoon sunshine, at least away from the lake. Highs between about 18 and 21. 13 on your side forecast. Couple of system snows with very light snow Thursday night, Friday night into Saturday as it transitions to lake effect, and it'll be windy on Sunday for Valentine's Day. Next week, warming up into the 20s. Yay, here we go with some Tuesday night and Wednesday snow, probably enough to shovel and plow.